As a surgeon, I love to operate, but only when it's necessary. A lot of the problems that patients come to see me for do not require surgery. We're able to get them feeling better, back on their feet, quality of life's improved, functions improved, without having to make an incision. And that was one of the reasons that I got into spine, being able to see patients who have pretty debilitating pain, and then we're able to offer them a solution, address that problem, and then seeing the outcome afterwards and the improvement in the quality of life and the function. The field of spine surgery has evolved tremendously over the past 15, 20 years. New procedures, new technology that can help with the surgeries, as well as robotics, which we utilize here. The most important thing I want to convey to a patient who's coming to see me for the first time is that there are options for their back pain. A lot of patients feel that if they have back pain, there's no solution. It's something that they have to live with. And so here we have a variety of methods and treatment options for them that we can work together to come up with a tailored program for them to get their pain under control. When I'm not working here at Synergy, I spend a lot of time with my family. I have a wife who's also a surgeon and 2 young kids. Taking care of patients is something that comes from the heart. It's not something that can be taught, but it can be improved upon. We all have kind of a calling to take care of patients and see them do well. So when you come here, we work together closely as a team and get you routed to the appropriate people for the appropriate care.